Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdie.com. I thought I'd pop in really quick today and explain the new incentive that I have starting in September. And I thought it would be so much easier just to pop on and do a video of that way. If you have any questions over in the chat on the side, you can ask. If the chat isn't there, then you're watching a replay, and then you can email me or ask down below. Hopefully I will cover everything in regards to what I offer my customers. And this is just something I'm just going to see if people are liking it. I'll give it a few months try and see. It's always fun to keep things exciting, and I hope you are excited about this one. I know I am. So let me flip the phone around and we will get started. All right, let me make sure I'm in the right spot. Refresh. Oh, let's see. Okay, good. I can see myself. All right. Okay, so I always talk about my host code, right? So these are what's going on in September. Okay, so I always talk about a hostess code. So I'm basically just coming on to do a video, explain everything, because some people do have questions. All right, so this is the hostess code for September. Hostess code basically, if you are ordering under 150, and I always say that because if you are ordering more, some people do, you will get your own hostess benefit, so you don't want to use the code. If you are in one of my stamp clubs, you have a private code. But what this code is how I give the goodies out each month. So if you are ordering under 150 and you use the code, all those orders get looped together, and then I earn hostess benefits. And with those hostess benefits, I get all of the goodies that I give you each month. And so that's why I use the code. All right, so every month it changes because the codes are only good for 30 days. So this is the code for September. All right, and then I always have had, this is been around forever because, gosh, I mean, it has an old date on it even the last I updated the chart. But it works, right? So I guess I don't want to change it because it works. So if you order $50 before tax and shipping, you earn a reward point. And I just call them country dozen because I'm out in the boonies. We have our ducks and our chicken. So I just made it be like a country dozen with the eggs. So that's just how I am. All right. And now I have it on here, stamp set, but it's really a $35 value that you can get for free when you get 12 eggs. And there's your dozen, right? Your 12 dozen. So for every $50 that you order before shipping and tax, you earn an egg. Now, sometimes I run double reward points. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the date down, the order number, the amount, and blah, blah, and how many eggs. And then it gets totaled up. Now, even as long as you do the 50, and it's an order, my club girls can earn these too, right? As long as they're ordering that $50 value. So what I do is when I get an order from you, Stampin' Up! Sends me an email. And it says, Jane has ordered. Then I send Jane an email thanking her for the order. And I include this flyer so that they're able to keep track. They may be new. They might not know about the flyer. So I thought, this video, I'm going to explain it all. And then I will be able to reference back when people have a question, right? All right, so there's this. So this is for the $50 value. Now, right now with celebration, you're also getting free celebration. So $50 is a great amount. But I thought I would increase my INKcentive. Now, the INKcentives, I've had oh my gosh, going on forever. And that is at the $75 before tax and shipping. It's always before tax and shipping level. I always have some sort of embellishment. Sometimes it's been a folder. I think I've done Stampin' Blends. It's just, a variety of things. And those are the items I talked about that I pick for free when I get my Hostess free, right? So then I'm giving my Hostess free away to my customers. So for September, if you order $75 before tax and shipping, when I send you your September thank you card, and I send it in October because that's when October 1st rolls around, that's when I order all of the brads that will go with the thank you card. I know I'm probably blabbing too much, but I want to make sure that I'm answering all the questions that might come up. So this is what is the September INKcentive, is the round and square brads. But some people, and I talked about it, love card guts. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to give a choice. So I'm going to let people have a choice for their $75 before tax and shipping order. You can pick the goodies or the guts. And I just looked back on some of my videos from August that were popular or I got a lot of comments on or emails about. And so you have your choice. You can pick the brads or you can get the card guts to make these 3 cards. Now nothing is stamped on them. You just get the pieces. So I'll show you what a card gut is about. So I've just got this made up, right? So I'm going to put this on my blog and it just says goodies or guts. And it just explains all of that. But I have a few ready to go. Now the card guts, I probably don't have to wait till the end of the month because I will just make these up. Like maybe every weekend I'll make up so many of them so they're ready to go. Whereas the goodies, I do wait till the end of the month. All right, so if you choose September, you go, hey, I want the card guts, then this is what you'll be getting. All right, a business card. So here's your little embellishment packet. And then you have the 3 envelopes with the card pieces. Now, like I said, nothing is stamped on them. You'll have to use what you have at home. If you want to make the card identical and you don't have the stamp set, you'll just have to order it. Maybe that's what you order to get to that $75 level. All right, so here is the pig one. So here's all the little pieces that you'll get to do the pig card. So you have your little die cuts. There's the ribbon that's going to go with the pig. And all you have to do is you can look back on my YouTube channel and you can see me make the card. So you can make it at your leisure with my video. All right, here's the sheep cards. You've got your little sheep die, your cloud die. So here's all the pieces that you'll need to do the sheep one. Now sometimes the embellishment colors may change. So it might be a different embellishment color when we have a variety pack, of embellishments. But they'll always go with the card. All right, and then here's the little snowman. And you have the cute snowflake. I just kept it within its square so it doesn't get damaged. And it's got that beautiful snow embossing on it. But I thought I would give it a try and see if people are interested. Maybe people will go, like I had mentioned in the video the other day when I used to do classes, and I would have a door prize basket, and I would put card gut packets in there. They would be just leftovers from classes or whatever. Those always went first. People always grabbed those right away. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it. And like I said, keep it exciting. All right. So that's what this is all about. Let me get this out of the way. So here is the thing. So I will put this up on my blog. I will upload the video. And if you are confused or whatever, just reach out to me. But I thought I would, like I said, I even love having card guts on hand. I will use them myself. You will even see, sometimes you'll go, that card looks kind of like, you know, a card she did before. And it might be like card guts because they're already ready to go. So, so anyways, if you have any comments, any questions, please let me know. And otherwise, I'm going to say, see you later. I will see you tomorrow for my dice shorts. And that will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, 3 o'clock. All right, same time, same channel. But I'll get this loaded up. And if you have any questions, let me know, okay? So thanks for joining me for this little quick video. And have a great rest of the day. All right, bye for now.